Hey, look at them legs. We got those. KJ and Coach Johnson and Brandy. Alright, we got a little Terrence over here. We got Miguel and White Boy Lightning. Kirk McGurk. Should be interesting. The last one wasn't interesting because it was just KJ and some scrub. This one should be interesting. I promise. My money's on Terrence, since he's the fastest in that heat.
Come on, Benny!
Run us to your mark. So it's young Kevin. After thinks he's hot shit because he just beat somebody in that heat. There was nobody in there, but you know, let the young kids have their day. And they're off. And they're off. Terrence is wild. Terrence is about to get caught before the first 50. Hey, Kevin. Hey, there's Travis. We got him going. I forgot. Oh yeah, Miguel! Oh, Kirk's gone. Kirk's gone. Terrence was last as expected. Hope he didn't have any money on him. Fast Shenandoah Hornets.